Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and use your Facebook avatar. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on the three lines on top right corner. Tap on See More and tap on Avatar. You have to start off by selecting your skin tone. Then tap Next. Now select your hairstyle. And your hair color. Then select your face shape. Add any complexion if you have any. Also the face lines. Then select your eye shape. The color of your eye, and your eye makeup. Now select an eyebrows. You can also select eyebrow color. Then pick up an eyewear. Now select the shape of your nose. And your mouth. You can also select color. Now add facial hair if you have any. Now select your body shape. Then select an outfit. You can pick a headwear if you want to. And you can add accessories. Now tap Done on top right corner. And your avatar is being created. Now tap Next. And tap Next again. Now if you want to share your avatar, you can share it to your newsfeed. I'll just skip this process. And this is your avatar. Now if you tap on the sticker icon on top right corner, you'll see all the stickers of your avatar. By tapping on the edit icon, you can edit your avatar whenever you want. Now let's go back. Now let's first say you want to comment on this photo. On the right hand side, you'll see an option. Select an avatar sticker. And all of your stickers will pop up here. And you can select any sticker you want and post it as a comment. And that's how you create and use your Facebook avatar. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.